Well, the weekend is here, and you're saying it's going to be pretty nice.
Yeah, it looks like it. It's going to be pretty nice, and the showers and storms that are typically around, which I kind of like too, but aren't going to be as prevalent as they have been over the past weekends. Beautiful shot. Haley said she saw this same cloud formation as the sun was setting. Looks like it's just pouring out of the sky, the bright light there, and it's just melting into the distance. And this was from San Franzone, Sarasota Bay. Getting a look at that, and boy, we had a lot of them sent in today. This one, a different perspective at a different location from Palmetto. Dennis, who always sends them in. And then Cindy also getting that same cloud formation. And for that's from Marina Jack right there. And last but not least, here it is, Norm. Friday Norm shot. There it is, Norm Schimmel. Getting a nice shot over Sarasota Bay. Well, weather headlines look like this over the upcoming weekend. Slightly drier air is going to be moving in, and that means not as many storms. And as far as the tropics go, it's pretty quiet there in the tropics. We'll get back to more of a normal pattern by Monday of next week, though, in terms of more storms in the afternoon and evening. But today, we had a few storms around, not the coverage that you would expect, and there's that dry air. It's slowly sinking in here over much of the state, at least the southern portion of the state. It will continue to work in that direction. Now, this dry air will again move right over across our region beginning tonight and more so throughout Saturday and Sunday. There still will be a few isolated late day storms, but not, again, the coverage that you would expect. 77 degrees right now, and the dew point 74. We have an east to southeast wind, light at 3, and the pressure 30-10, and that is continuing to hold steady. High was 89. A little bit more clouds today kept it below average, but we've been above average all week, and the record 96 set back in 1964. No rain officially at the airport. We are now just over an inch below average for the month and just over 3 inches for the year. Well, the southeast and the United States, the southeast United States, will see a little bit more rainfall, but not for us. We're going to be dry here. That tropical wave will continue to cause some problems up there into the lower Mississippi Valley, but for us, just a few spotty showers are anticipated late in the afternoon and evening, and then that quickly fades away and looks as though we'll see similar conditions again on Sunday. That moisture, though, starting to return back over the southern part of the state as early as Sunday for those folks. We won't get that here until Monday, it looks like, and then it stays with us throughout the week. I mentioned the rain over the southeast. That's the old tropical wave, extends from Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. A few showers over North Georgia right now. Cooler air has moved in over the upper Great Lakes and throughout parts of the Northeast. Temperatures in the 60s and 70s there. 62 in Boston. It's been a chilly day in Boston. 88 in Dallas now and 99 in Phoenix. Still at 90 at Salt Lake City. Well, for boating tomorrow, a light chop out there. The winds are going to start off at 10 knots out of the east, slowly switch around and veer to the south and then the southwest, and actually calm down a little bit in the afternoon at 5 knots. We'll have a light chop out there. The water temperature warm. 87 degrees, but not as hot as it has been. As of late, temperatures are cooling down the water just a little bit. Low tide upcoming just after midnight, a high at 5:49, a low tide at 12:17. Tomorrow afternoon, sunrise will be at 6:45. Well, the forecast calls for scattered storms mainly out in the Gulf, otherwise partly cloudy and seasonal, 75 for your low. And then for tomorrow, expect partly cloudy skies, rain chance at 30%. And east winds turn to the west, 92, a little bit above average. The extended forecast is calling for a nice day on Sunday, better chances for showers and storms, but still okay through the work week next week.